For centuries, physics operated on a comforting premise. If you knew the exact position and momentum of every particle, you could, theoretically, predict the entire future of the universe. This deterministic concept, often called Laplace's demon, treated reality like a perfect, predictable clockwork machine. That absolute predictability survived until 1927, when Werner Heisenberg published his uncertainty principle. He proved there is a strict mathematical limit to how precisely we can know certain pairs of physical properties, like a particle's position and its momentum, at the exact same time. To make sense of this, a popular explanation emerged: the observer effect. This idea suggests that our microscopes and lasers are simply too clumsy. By bouncing light off a tiny electron to see it, we physically bump it, knocking it off course. That explanation is entirely backwards. Assuming quantum uncertainty is an error of human technology, or a mystical consequence of human consciousness looking at a particle, is the most pervasive myth in modern physics. We know this because of a modern technique called interaction-free measurement. Physicists can now test quantum properties without directly touching or observing the target particle, using clever optical devices that glean information without physical interference. Even when all physical disturbance is removed, the inherent uncertainty between position and momentum remains exactly the same. The blur doesn't disappear when we step out of the room. Albert Einstein famously hated this. He argued that a universe governed by chance rather than definitive states meant the theory was incomplete. He believed the particle had a definite location, and we were just failing to find it. But decades of experiments have proven Einstein wrong. If our observation isn't physically causing the blur must be an inescapable property of reality itself. The true culprit here is wave-particle duality. At the subatomic scale, objects do not exist as tiny fixed billiard balls. They exist inherently as waves. This animation shows a continuous wave, behaving much like a ripple in a pond. To measure a wave's speed, or its momentum, you must observe multiple peaks and troughs passing over a period of time. Here is the physical trade-off. Observing this wide, continuous spread of peaks gives us perfect momentum data. But because the wave is stretched out over a large area, its exact physical position becomes spread out and undefined. Now let's reverse the scenario. To zero in and find the exact position of this object, we have to isolate a single sharp peak. With only one isolated peak, all the wavelength information disappears. Without a wavelength, calculating speed or momentum becomes mathematically impossible. Position and momentum are conjugate variables. They operate in a zero-sum game by mathematical law. Pinning down one inherently erases the other from physical existence. We have a stubborn cognitive bias as humans. We desperately want to believe that the particle still has a secret, exact location, and we simply lack the ability to see it. We have to abandon that instinct. The particle does not have a hidden location. Instead, it exists literally as a spread-out probability distribution until a measurement forces it into a single state. We can see this hard mathematical boundary directly in Heisenberg's famous inequality equation. The uncertainty of position multiplied by the uncertainty of momentum must always be greater than or equal to a fixed constant. If one value shrinks to zero, the other must expand to infinity. This mathematical limit describes the physical architecture of the universe. It is an ontological reality, existing independently of human knowledge. The trade-off between conjugate variables applies to energy and time as well. This principle scales up to govern pairs of properties across the cosmos. Because energy has a strict uncertainty over a finite time interval, a true empty vacuum of absolute zero energy is physically impossible according to the math. Pairs of virtual particles are constantly popping into existence from nothing, borrowing energy for a fraction of a millisecond before annihilating each other. The empty space between galaxies is actually a boiling, highly energetic environment, governed entirely by quantum uncertainty. Modern cosmological measurements show this boiling vacuum energy is driving the accelerating expansion of the entire universe, a phenomenon we currently label as dark energy. Back on Earth, engineers building modern quantum computers must explicitly quantify and navigate this inherent probabilistic uncertainty. The noise and random fluctuations in their hardware are inescapable laws of physics. The only way to build the fault-tolerant quantum technologies of the future is to mathematically model these correlated errors and design algorithms that work with the uncertainty rather than trying to eliminate it. We do not live in a predictable clockwork machine, nor a mystical realm shaped by human consciousness. We inhabit a probabilistic reality where fundamental uncertainty writes the ultimate rules of the cosmos.